Hello guys, let us solve this question. So if the total energy of an electron is minus 1.51 electron volt in hydrogen atom, then find out the kinetic energy, potential energy, orbit, radius and velocity of the electron in that orbit. So इतनी energy दी हुई है, हमको पता करना है ये किधर है, कौन सा orbit number पे है, कौन सा कितना दूर है, radius and velocity क्या है, and also the Ke and Pe. So Ke and Pe kinetic energy, potential energy directly निकाल सकते हैं. So always remember one thing, potential energy is always twice of total energy and always minus 2 times of kinetic energy, right? So total energy is given, right? It is nothing but minus 1.51. So potential energy double होगा उसका, and you can see 2 times T is minus 2 times K. So the magnitude of total energy is same as the kinetic energy, but the sign is different. So yes, they have solved that only. K E is minus K, this is E, right? So the kinetic energy is always positive. Why? Because it is half mv square, and mass and velocity दोनों positive ही होगा. Mass can never be negative, neither will velocity, right? V square, it can be negative, but V square is always positive. So you can see the kinetic energy nothing but 1.51 electron volt. ये direct यहाँ से आ गया, and twice if you do, so that will be the answer of potential energy. So this should be 3.02 electron volt. Yes, that's wrong. So it will be minus, of course. Sign will be same as total energy. So yes, moving ahead, you got the value. Now you have to find the orbit. Where is the orbit? So you know one formula, that E is nothing but minus 13.6 into Z square by N square, and it is hydrogen atom, so Z1 हो गया. So minus 1.51 is nothing but minus 13.6 upon N square, right? So on solving you get the value of N square as 9, because minus 13.6 is 9 times 1.51. And see minus 1.5 9 करो तो minus 13.5 आएगा. So of course n का value ऐसे solve करोगे तो n का value will be something approx 2.99 कुछ भी, but you know n is the integer, so you know rounding off to integer, n is 3, you always have to round off, right? Because ये integers ही होता है. So yes, you got the value as 3. So yes, you can see orbit value is 3. Once you know the orbit value, you can find everything. You can find velocity as well as radius, because you know the relation between radius and the nth value. So radius of any nth orbit is nothing but 0.529 times n square upon z. Z we always know it is 1. Z is 1 for hydrogen atom. So n ka value is 3. So 3 square, you can see 3 into 3, 3 square. So it is 9 into 0.529, and this is in angstrom. So this is the main part. This is in angstrom. So it is 4.761 angstrom. And same goes to velocity. Velocity, you know, it is 2.188 into 10 raised to 8 centimeter per second, or you can say 10 raised to 6 meter per second. So you know the value of n, this is into z by n, right? So you know the value of z for hydrogen, it is nothing but 1, and n is 3, so into 1 by 3. So on solving you get the answer as 0.729 into 10 raised to 8 centimeter per second. You can convert this into meter per second, right? So it कर सकते हो 10 raised to minus 2 कर दो और. So that is the solution. So first we can find the potential and kinetic energy directly by the energy given. Then by the energy given you can find the value of n. Then by n value you can find the radius and the velocity because of the formula this and this, because दोनों formula में दो ही चीज़ पे डिपेंड करते हैं. That one will is एक n और दूसरा z, and z is always given. Z can be always found out, and you should remember the value of z. क्वेश्चन में दिया रहेगा नहीं, बट यू ऑल नो हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक नंबर 1 है, हीलियम का 2 है, लिथियम का 3 है, बेरिलियम का 4 है. जनरली ये 4 एटम्स में से एक एटम आएगा कोई भी, बट यू शुड नो. एंड मेन थिंग इज दैट at the it should be a single electronic species, so it should be Li plus 2, beryllium plus 3, or helium plus. Then only you can apply these formulas, R का, V का. Okay, यही तो बोर का theory था, a single electronic species के लिए valid था वो, right? So that's all. Hope you guys understood this video. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.